Hey guys, I'm Dennis and today I'm going to show you around how to use the facilities in the CUPB campus. Today I'm going to show you how to use the laundry room in the dorm. So let's get started with scanning the QR code on each of the washing machines with your WeChat. It's going to take a while. And after you've scanned into the service page, you can see that these are all in English, these are all in Chinese, but you can hit to translate the whole thing into English and you can see all these self-serve options you have. Let's say I have a standard load of clothes ready to wash. I just hit the standard wash and hit the standard laundry detergent option, and as for the disinfectant, it is up to you to choose if you want more standard or less disinfectant, or you can just bring your own and does not cost you extra RMBs. So at the end you'll see the total amount that it's going to cost you, and after that you just click WeChat Pay and it'll take you to the confirmation page. Just bear in mind that after you finish washing, do not close the lid after you washed because it'll create odors. And the bins right here are for you to use if you do not have your own bins. And after you wash, if you want to dry your clothes, you can just hang your clothes up here. And these hangers, I believe, are here for you to borrow them, but just don't take them with you. One last thing is that these three black machines have their own drying functions, whereas these white machines do not. Alright, hey guys, it's me again, and I'm going to introduce you to how to wash your shoes in the laundry room. So you can find this type of washing machines in the laundry room for you to wash your shoes. And the same process again, scan the QR code with your WeChat, and once you're in, and you'll see that there are only two options. One is washing shoes and the other is single dehydration. And just choose whichever one that is applying to you and click WeChat Pay. That's pretty much it. Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm going to show you how to use the kitchen in the CUPB campus. So right here we have the electric stove and range hood and the faucet for you to use. So whenever you start cooking, please remember to turn on the range hood. That way the smells don't leave in the kitchen, so that it goes to the outside and so everyone else can enjoy their dorm life. So how to turn it on is simply click on this button, and this is to adjust the fan speed, and this is the light. And after you finish using them, just turn it off. And there we go. These closets are for you to use to store your own kitchenwares. But if you want to leave your own kitchenwares in the kitchen, please remember to put a name tag on your kitchenware so that others do not take them mistakenly. Other than that, here is a microwave and here is an oven. They are all for you to use, and that's pretty much it.